freezing. Oh. 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 Please. Oh. Oh, God. Oh, Burr. Oh, Burr River. Oh. So why do I do that? One is practical. Right, River? River is licking the water off my face. One is practical. The water is not hooked up yet at our cabin. So there is no way for me to wash my face and wet my hair down up at the cabin. But I've done this for years. I love coming down to the shore when the waves allow and just being here. The water is much colder than it was a couple of days ago. The last time I did this in a video. The wind has changed. Yesterday was quite stormy, so the water has changed temperature dramatically. I'm just looking down the shore and I can see one of the bald eagles flying around. It's gorgeous. So last quote lifestyle video from the lake for now. This is a place of nature. It's been in our family since my mom was in high school, up on the North Shore, and it is home. It is solace. It is a place of refuge. If this is not available to you, find a place where you can be at peace. There's something magic about nature. It's not, to say the obvious, it's not machine made. It's not human made. It's made by the Creator. And when we get in touch with creation, at least I do, when I get in touch with creation, I have a better chance of getting in touch with the Creator. And that helps. It helps me be happier, helps me have some peace. Beauty gives me peace and joy. I love beauty. And there's so much beauty in nature. So, sending you the beauty of this place on your Monday. It is May 7th. So, all my best. Peace, love, and joy from all of us to you.